Connor Johnson, he is in his second year. Of course, the hustle coached by Jason March. As Yuta Watanabe, who's coming up back. He's a tall one. He had a triple-double earlier this year with blocks. And Yuta Watanabe coming out aggressive, back-to-back threes to start the game for Yuta. Watanabe running hook off the glass over the big fella in field goal percentage. Now 6th in free throw percentage, too. Watanabe rips the net again from three-point land. It's not one of them. This time off the glass for 2 more. Out shooting their opponents at the line by 10%. Like everything. Look at every statistical category of hustle dominating. Yuta Watanabe is dominating. And he's going to do it again. Oh my goodness.
To rest their legs. Traveling in the G League. Oh, and Josh Jackson finds Yuta Watanabe, an early nominee.
There's Watanabe, gets the roll. So that's a season high.
And I think of Delaware. In that scene when they say, "Hi, I'm in Delaware." That's all I think of. Nice play right there. Jared Utah with a little reverse. They call him Cody. C-O-A-T-Y. Coty is their mascot. So I'm going to go with my 4 favorite college mascots. 8% from 3 on the season, 66.7% from the line. And you just don't really, when you watch how he shoots the ball, I don't really get it. Mentioned 0 for 4 from 3. He's been shooting in his last 3, 41% from 3.
Watanabe with the dunk. He's over 30, up to 31 points now for Watanabe. Watanabe answers with a 3. That's a new career high for Yuta Watanabe. As Jefferson blocked again by Kumaji, gets it back. Yuta again. 37 now.
The hustle get lucky that the ball rolled off that way, out of the way of Kumaji.
Jackson again. Yes, indeed. He was 1 for 7 from 3. Hustle by 10, approaching 2 minutes to go. Utah with 13 rebounds now to a 15 points. And that's a 40-point game for Yuta Watanabe.